Hey, welcome back, guys and gals, all you Hot Wheel lovers. Check out this Hot Wheels 53 anniversary set. First up, we got the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. It's a real beautiful car. Looks real good. It's a pretty good detail. Next up, we got the custom 56 Ford pickup truck, which is a favorite of mine. Pretty sharp looking truck. That bright metal flake orange. Then we got a custom 62 Chevy pickup, which happens to be one of my favorite Hot Wheels. I like the detail. Real beautiful truck. Then we got a twin mill 3. I don't know about y'all, but I think twin mills is one of the Hot Wheels favorite cars because it just seems like they got a twin mill in about every set that you see come out. Well, you gotta admit the twin mill is a popular car. And then last, we got the custom Cadillac Fleetwood. Convertible, sleek design, orange and black, white, blue, all different kind of colors. Long car. Anyway, it's pretty neat. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this little review of the Hot Wheels 53rd anniversary. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you later.